My video is about removing YoSearch Weather Tab browser hijacker attacking Google Chrome browser. The website related to this hijacker is yosearch.co. Actually, YoSearch Weather Tab is a new tab replacer. The problem with this hijacker is that often it is spread through integration with some free applications, and in many cases people download and install it unintentionally. So, speaking about YoSearch Weather Tab, the developers of this service indicate that you'll be able to check the weather with the help of this extension. But in reality, as I said, it's a new tab replacer. So when you open the new tab, you notice that the new tab got changed into yosearch.co. A lot of such extensions may also change some other settings, such as the default homepage, default search engine. And so the problem is that this extension is often installed without the user's intention. So we urge you to get rid of it as soon as possible from your Google Chrome browser if you have discovered it to be the part of your Google Chrome. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. When you find this extension, disable and remove the extension completely. To make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.